Hey everybody, here are my top 4 anti-aging hacks. Dr. Barrett, board certified plastic surgeon right here in Beverly Hills. Stay tuned to the end. The last 2 are free. First one, sun avoidance, avoiding overexposure to the sun, okay? So wearing sunscreen, wearing sun protection, stay away from the chemical sunscreen, stick with more physical blocking agents. That's probably one of the #1 things you can do to prevent the visible signs of aging. Number 2 is supplementation with NAD. I think improving your NAD levels as you get older will help turn off the genes of aging. So if you supplement with precursors like NMN or NMNH, a product I make, shameless plug here, this has been shown to boost your NAD levels naturally. You can also do injections, muscular or IV, for more intensive sessions. Number 3 is sleep. Sleep has been shown to improve all sorts of functions in your body and extend longevity, decrease Alzheimer's, all this other stuff, and improve your skin health. Number 4 is exercise. Believe it or not, those people that exercise on a more consistent basis, they look more younger because the genes of aging are turned off by about 10 years. If you're exercising on a regular basis, you will look younger. Let me know in the comments other anti-aging hacks that you guys have and let us know. Thanks.